Hero Cola. That may be the flavor. I don't know, but that's what it
Pine
says.
sherbet.
So like pineapple.
Are you reading that right?
sherbet? Yeah.
Pineapple. Oh, so maybe it tastes like pineapple and Coca-Cola, or you know,
And it's got a picture
cola.
of a cola on the front of it.
Right.
So.
But that's why I said I think you should break it before you open it.
Oh, it's just one.
So we're not all just licking on one lollipop.
Yeah.
How we gonna?
Get it.
Get that metal
yeah,
can.
Go ahead. The whole. You got it.
Get into it.
Nah, hold on. The butt end of this knife.
Now I'm
Decide
excited.
yourself. Yeah.
think it's good.
No, I'm missing it. Like, you go to the other side, I felt it like.
Hold still. Hold still. I forgot I had these in my head still. I was like, what the fuck's wrong with my hair?
Yeah, you did that
Y'all
before.
ain't see that. Bro, I didn't do nothing. Okay, it's a couple pieces.
That's all we need. A little tasty. Get your big.
No, you got braces. Give me that damn lollipop.
I got it.
That's $2,000 worth of dental work in your
I
mouth.
crushed it up a little bit. It's crushed, it's crushed, it's crushed, it's crushed. I broke
It
it.
don't need to be crushed no more.
Yeah.
It ain't.
Because there's other like,
It ain't gonna hit the same if it's crushed
Yeah.
too much, y'all. You idiot.
What the fuck was that?
The cola.
the soda part.
That cola.
Oh, it was inside there?
Yeah.
That's that I'm in love with the cocoa.
Yeah, get
I don't like
into it.
We gonna.
Don't. Never mind.
Should have poured it on top of the
You
chocolate.
could
water.
just snort it up. Like,
Yeah,
you can't do
the
that
fuck?
today.
This just looks ridiculous. Look at-
Ooh, get into
I
it.
don't like the way that looks.
It wasn't gonna look like that. I was just taking it out.
There was this one time this guy had something like this in his hand. And he walked up to me. He said he got a handful of Christmas.
That's weird.
He said it was
What did you
snowing.
get?
It's snowing in this bitch.
All right,
I don't like that.
I'm not gonna tell y'all what it was.
Is it meth?
Because we on YouTube?
Yeah, if it goes on YouTube, I don't know. You know, it might. Yeah, but you use your imagination. I didn't even get none. You took it from me.
Oh, I thought you handed it to me.
Why you handed it? That's on you.
I really like it a lot.
I like the flavor of the lollipop.
Mm-hmm.
It's alright.
You mean this one?
That's my favorite one.
I don't know.
It's giving bubblegum flavor though.
It's giving very much delicious.
That's not good.
Maybe y'all should put y'all
This-
soda
Is
in the
this
fridge.
the same thing as the circular one?
I think it is.
Let's
And
get
if it is, I want it. Cause I kind of liked it.
okay. Well, let's get that done first. Let's only open one.
Another hello. What if I like it?
Then you can open the second one and have it yourself. I will let you have it. I just want us to open one so that we can taste it. And if you like it, then you can eat the other one. Negro.
Open it up, man. You say it like this.
All right.
Because there's two pieces in one, so he doesn't want you to open that one just in case you don't like this one.
Right. But if you do like it, then you can either eat it now or take it home.
But if there's nobody else want it either, it wouldn't matter.
All right.
You have a trouble there? Don't
I
crush
like
it.
this.
It was already,
Leave it in
that
one
piece was
piece.
already like that.
Make it
In
perfect.
the hole. There we go.
Get that one in.
All right.
Okay.
Y'all want to try this one or do y'all care at this point?
I
'Cause y'all
eat
ain't-
lollipop stuff.
All right.
Ooh,
Oh, this one different.
it got like a little.
Savory.
This fizz is hitting different.
He's throwing a fizz.
It's whiz.
I
I
like
fuck with this one. This one I like more than that strawberry one for sure.
I do.
Mm.
Like, what did they put on it?
I don't know.
Salt.
That's it.
probably.
They put that kitty cat.
Yeah.
It's Hello Kitty. It's Hello Kitty. They put that booty
I
cat
knew
on
what
there.
you
and
were
that's what
saying.
it
I put a little picture of that Boochie Cat Bill.
Yeah, y'all.
Purr,
Boochie Cat Bill.
purr, big purr.
Oh, speaking
I
of
like
bear,
this
I can't
show.
wait to eat
Hey,
this.
here, get this other one.
Do you
Kyle.
remember the show?
Get this other one, Kyle.
All right.
Let me get a bite.
Damn! You got the big piece. I was sad.
Bone.
I was sad. Okay, I kind of like it.
Do you remember this show?
I liked it last
Tell
time.
me you remember this.
I ate it in the
I forgot the
morning.
name of it.
I forgot the name of it too. I don't remember where it's from, but I know I've seen this character many, many times. Late
Miso soup
on
guy.
Tanu.
What?
It looks like a
Toonami.
miso soup.
You know, the problem with this is that I don't know if it's describing the show or the candy.
Well, most of
It's
them,
the
they've been saying the
candy.
candy.
It's
Most
the
of the
candy.
labels.
But that's the thing. It just says candy up top, and then it says what it is, and I'm
I
like,
forgot.
are you saying the character's name first
It's the
or?
star.
Oh.
That's the name of the candy. Oreo, ramen, chocolate.
That
Let
must
me
be.
see. Let me try.
But that Orion person must be the character on the front.
Yeah, let's try. Let's look at
Orion.
Orion something something.
Orion Ramune Choco Kobe Coca.
Say it fast.
Orion Ramune Choco Kobe Coca.
2 times.
Stop it.
Orion Ramune Choco Kobe
We are not doing this all damn day.
That's really what it is. Orion Ramune.
No,
It's
that's not the
same
name of the
as
character.
that.
It's the name of the candy. That's what the candy's
Yeah.
called.
Alright, well anyway.
Let's
get
open
into
it.
I would skip on this one also.
I believe I will as well.
Y'all no fun.
Hateful.
It's not no fun.
Oh, the little
I just don't want to
stars.
waste it.
Yeah,
That's actually
I'd rather
adorable.
not waste it.
Y'all some lying
Because it's so
assholes.
good.
So
Those
tell
are
me,
drugs.
I was just, this is like some
Like
shit they'll pass your ass at the club or some shit. Like, here, take one of these.
This looks
Not
like an
at the
ecstasy
club. It's
tablet.
more of the rave. When you're at the
Yeah.
rave or
When you're at the
Rave
Indian festival.
rolling loud where
Yeah. Oh, you'll be rolling. You'll be rolling.
This looks like something you'll pass at the club as
like,
well.
like a
Yeah,
pill, you
that
know
part.
what I'm saying?
Honestly, that kind of looks like, you know when they used to put
know
salt
Bill
in the,
Bill, right?
they used to put rice in the salt
salt,
shakers at
yeah.
restaurants? That's what that
Or
looks
it looks like French onion pieces and some salt.
Y'all know what
You always go
y'all know what a bill pill is, right?
Goodbye.
That's what this looks like.
I don't
Star
know
power.
drugs.
This is
Get
a
into
bill-
it.
A bill
Let's
pill.
cheers our stars.
Get into it.
Yeah.
That's what a bill pill
Get into that flavor.
is when somebody drops something in your drink without you knowing. They
Yeah, look at me.
Oh, she back at it.
Meow.
Thank you. Go get in the bed.
What the actual
Watch your
fuck
show.
is this?
Hey, monkey, monkey.
It tastes just like something.
It's Flintstone.
No,
Oh, thank you, mama. Just stomping around. It tastes like what they
no. What is it, bruh?
fuck.
Nobody can be a little brain.
I'm sorry.
It makes me think like it wants to be Cocoa Puffs, but it's not.
Cocoa Puffs.
I get what you're saying, but no,
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm just saying the flavor makes me think it was trying to be like Cocoa Puffs, and it's not.
It's something else. What the?
What is that? I don't think you're gonna like that,
What
but
is
you can
it?
eat it.
Chocolate Cheeto.
She ate it.
The chocolate wafer shit, the
Chocolate
super
Cheeto.
wafer. Oh, thank you, mama. I appreciate it.
Please do not lose that. I have no idea where the other ones are at.
You want the one?
At her grandma.
Okay. You want the passy? You want my hand?
In her backpack.
Okay. What you
Don't
want?
nobody
Oh, you want
say.
the
That's what it tastes like.
Yeah, you want
Like,
the clips. Oh, thank you. Do you want me to just put it back in my hair?
It tastes like some hot cocoa.
Okay, maybe if we put it in some hot chocolate.
So it don't taste like hot cocoa to you?
If we put it in some hot.
That's what it is.
Yeah, hot cocoa.
It tastes like hot cocoa powder that got
Yeah.
made into one piece.
That's why I was thinking of. I was like, what is this?
Put that. We need to put that in the matcha.
You can put that in some regular hot milk.
Shit.
Oh my gosh.
Regular hot milk.
Nah, they got
Yeah.
more of
Yeah.
these Kit Kats.
They gave us a.
They could have gave us a variety of because I know they got different flavors.
Oh my gosh, we have one of these in here?
Oh, MG! Wow!
I should have
Okay.
took that.
Yeah, I was about to say.
That part. That part. I just haven't had one of these in so long.
Get into it.
I'm excited.
You
Mama,
gotta.
why are you kicking me? You just excited, that's why.
She okay.
Ain't this how it go?
No, stop. What's in your hand? Rip that off first.
No. Yeah.
Oh.
Get into it. You don't gotta get in the single frame. You gotta let them see the magic.
Don't seal it though.
The beauty.
Just pop it in there because when you seal it, it's gonna try to.
I'm scared.
Do it like this.
I don't even want to do it hard.
Do it hard. No, move your hand. Like,
Oh.
and then.
Oh.
Watch out. Hold
That's
it.
why I told you if you seal it, it's gonna try to do that.
Yeah. So he said, let it up. Like, let it breathe.
Wow.
Okay.
I want to get into that flavor.
Pinkies up.
No, ma'am. Come on. No, I just cleaned up your
I'm confused. for
moon
it.
pie mess.
Give her that chocolate.
Why did that bubble pop?
Here you go.
My
Because it's
verdict,
holding the
it is
carbonation.
not bussin'.
But that's
What does it
also
taste
because
like?
I feel like we don't have enough.
I actually really like this.
I don't think it's the sugar.
No, because the one I had the other day was good.
Yeah,
That
what
one
flavor?
doesn't taste strawberry
it
enough.
was the
You want your water, mama?
mochi. Is that what it's called? That little white fruit?
Lychee.
Lychee.
Lychee, yeah. Well, lychee is also usually very sugary, but that does
Well,
not
I had
taste
lychee.
strawberry.
Lychee.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, lychee, whatever, lychee. It was
Okay, let's get into this little nitro.
Oh shit. Let's clean up all this.
Yeah, let's clean up all this. Oh, I do want to taste this though.
Oh, okay, let's get into that. Yes, I do want to
This did not come in the box, but I bought it anyway, so I want it. Mama, what's up? What? Are you trying to give me that? You want me to hold that? Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. You want to come up here? Okay. You want some chocolate? Yeah, I know. There are people on that screen. Ain't that crazy?
She gonna crumb it all over. She just had moon pie everywhere.
Yeah,
She
but
really
that
did.
is good. Sometimes you gotta wild out with them, but.
Oh,
I just cleaned up.
Oh, is there any more gummies?
oh, she sure.
Oh, those purple.
No, I drank that. That was gone.
I was
Why you over here
attempting murder on me.
menacing?
Let me see, let me cut it up, cause I don't trust you.
No, I'ma cut my own piece.
No, cause you gotta cut it.
Whoa!
in
There are
the
too many
fours.
people
Cut it in
floating
the
around
fours.
with a child nearby.
Hold on, let me look at this. Okay. Wait, can I get my
No,
stuff?
hey, whoa.
I gotta get
Stop,
my
let her do her thing
I'm
first.
just saying, I gotta get my stuff ready. Y'all can go on your own terms.
Just give me some water.
Right.
Just pour me some water. Like some
Pour your water. It'll be nice.
Man, I got some of that bullshit in my cup though.
Clean it
That
out.
bullshit might help though, actually.
Yeah, I thought that too, but no.
You try this.
Yeah, I tried that to do that.
I don't need no damn milk. See, that's how y'all be cheap. Y'all ain't.
Who cheating?
You got some
And
milk.
okay, let's get some rules now. Y'all cannot just do. You have
Hold
to
on, hold on,
chew
hold on,
it.
hold
You have to chew for at least 10 seconds.
2 seconds. That
Yeah.
ain't shit.
No, you have to chew this. So this is the world's hottest gummy.
Well, we're gonna taste this chocolate first.
Oh wait,
Well,
no.
I think this should be the thing that saves us. I think we should
Yeah,
save this in
Jalen.
case that's awful.
After this.
Where'd your piece go?
Right here, my hand.
Yeah, she over here probably rubbing it in something. Rubbing it
I'm
in.
getting it ready. I'm getting it
Thank you,
ready.
Mama.
So what y'all have to do is chew it and swallow. No, y'all don't have to swallow it, but y'all do have to.
Not swallow it.
You have to get a couple, at least one. You 6 chews before you swallow.
My hand,
I feel like
bit
you're
my
saying this
finger
because you
and
don't think
my
we'll make
lips
it
are
past
burning.
that.
All right. Oh, get their feet.
You think
I just took
think I
the
was
tip of
sucking
my
or something?
finger in my
Yes,
mouth.
everybody get their feet.
Why is it so sticky?
Jalen,
though?
get your feet.
Kyle, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Kyle?
Yeah.
Baby Chucky, you ready?
Cut that out.
One,
Cut the camera's dead ass.
All right.
DJ,
One.
cut the track.
1, 2, 3.
It's hard and tender.
8, 9, 10.
I don't like this.
You didn't even chew, you dummy.
Oh! I swallowed mine.
I don't like that at all.
It tastes nasty.
It does. It does. Now I need this soda. How long are we waiting?
It ain't bad.
You don't wake up, baby. It's not going away. I promise you.
It ain't bad.
Give it to you in 5 minutes.
Oh shit! Look at that. Why did my arm just twitch?
What's up, Mama?
Hold on. I gotta take my glasses off.
I swallowed it.
I did too.
Thank you, Mama.
It's like stuck like right here.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Water. I'm scared. Oh, shit.
This ain't nothing though.
You sweating.
I don't want to do it.
Not you sweating.
a bad idea.
I've been through worse.
Scared of you.
I've been to work, but I done already had too many of these traumatic ass experiences.
I just got lightheaded though. Kyle, you swallowed yours?
Yes.
Everybody
Why you?
swallowed.
No, y'all wasn't supposed to chase it yet.
Yeah, you want to be the hard ass.
I told you I wasn't doing that.
That's why you sweating right now. You is sweating. He is sweating balls.
Is it good?
Cause he think he's so. Look at That's why I got some milk.
My brain is doing something weird.
Yes, telling you to die.
Right now.
It's good.
I don't do burn though. Kyle munching on that chocolate thing. He just living his life.
Hold on.
You know? It burns.
Nah, but I'm saying though, it's not spicy hot.
Okay,
It's just, it feels like
Burning hot.
that section of my mouth. That
Yeah, it's like
is
whatever.
temperature.
Exactly, and it's like but it's affecting my brain.
Baby, that's burning.
That sounds crazy.
No, after Jada and I told her, she said she had some like crazy. See how tall
You don't feel that in your head?
I can't use it right.
No.
You don't feel that in your brain?
Only the side where I was shooting on her.
It doesn't. It like yeah.
It only affects where it touch.
But after that, it's
Yeah.
in here. Why?
That's your brain telling you stupid.
It's psychological. It's fucking with you.
Nah, bro.
Stupid.
Like if I was to listen to some wires, I bet I'd be getting a lot of readings right now.
If you set yourself up with some tinfoil hat.
It makes me cannot breathe.
Yeah? Yeah? Is it good though?
What the fuck is million shoe chili?
That's what's up.
Hurt?
What is it?
Pain?
Million shoe chili extract.
Mama, can I hold the phone?
Man, this ain't shit.
Or not.
I'm cool now. I done got paid. It still affects my head though.
Yeah. I was not planning on doing nothing hot, so I immediately ate that chocolate.
It's like man, I got
But I will say this was not as bad as the one chip challenge. I just don't want to do it no more. I've been scarred. I've been scarred by that shit. That shit
Hey,
was.
where you get one of them? God damn.
Well, we all really need to be drinking this that latte because it's got milk in it.
fuck that latte.
As myself.
Fuck.
Okay, I feel good now.
I do not.
That's what you get.
Eat a piece of chocolate. Not her with the bone.
But she spit it out.
Yeah, you spit yours out. Everybody else swallowed theirs.
Mama, can I have the
That's
brew?
hurt though.
I could never.
Thank you.
It's the
It
back.
wasn't
How
that
the heck you got
bad.
this?
It's like
I don't know.
it's like where my
I
wisdom
was saying
is.
right here, it burned.
Yeah, that's exactly where my.
I don't want to write hit. I don't know.
I thought you was about to transform.
What kind
girl.
of juice is this? Oh, fruit punch. I was gonna say this don't taste like apple juice because I seen you pick up an apple and I thought apple juice. Why did you do that with your milk?
I'd be good.
Y'all, I'm tired.
Hold on, I ain't tried the chocolate.
Go
thing.
ahead and try it because my stomach hurt now.
It's right here.
Hey, but you
It's
know-
right here.
Oh, I was gonna say this shit feel empty as hell.
It is. Because I ate like 4 squares in a matter of 3 seconds.
I don't know how you do the closing out, but
We look.
Bye, bros. It's way to go, bros. That was it. It's
Y'all,
a wrap.
we've had lots of snacks. Some were fun, some were disappointing. Some of them hurt like hell. But at the end of it, all that really matters is that Jimena's over here being cute. And somehow Jalen's out of frame. But
out of here. Get rid of that shit.
what was
Rub
it?
your
No.
eyes.
My mouth is still fucking
No.
burning.
No, I didn't throw away the chocolate.
Wow, you didn't even swallow it.
What?
You just
She chewed it, but she threw that shit out as soon as it hit her tongue.
Where you going?
I was like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
But that shit was tough to even chew though. Like, it was like you had to like.
get into it, yeah.
All right. The baby is here. She's cute. She's probably about to start pouting.
Man. Hey, that's a new one.
Y'all see that I did it though. You know what I'm saying? Did that like a G.
Goodbye. Call me when you do the 1 chip challenge for an hour.
I ain't gonna suck.
Nice.
All them,
You know what?
they chasing with something.
We should
instantly.
buy a whole.
I did not come here with the intent of doing that.
No, we should all get our own and then chew it. Now that would be.
Well,
I've already done videos like that.
I'll
That
do it,
shit.
but who gonna be the one driving us to the hospital?
That part.
I got y'all.
Jimena gonna drive us all to the hospital. Y'all, it's been fun. It's been real. My stomach hurt. I'm ready to go. So, love y'all. Bye, bros.